Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your DOOGEE Fire 7. So, what you guys want to do first is check the volume levels in the settings. So, let's unlock the phone. And after that, go over to the settings. Now here in the settings, what we need to do is we need to go over and scroll down until we see sound and vibration. And here we can change the volume. So we are more interested in the media volume and the call volume other than the ring, notification and the alarm, because we don't really need these. And the media volume is what we use to play our multimedia, and call volume is self-explanatory. So make sure to pop them up here to the max. And after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grill, for an example, right here with a soft brush. So you can just brush the debris or dirt from it, and then you will have the sound back because dust can block the connection. Now, what you guys can also do is make sure that Bluetooth is turned off. So go over to connected devices and then connection preferences. And after that, go over to Bluetooth. Here, you need to make sure that Bluetooth is turned off. So now the Bluetooth is turned on, as you guys can see, and now it is disabled. So we definitely want it disabled to make sure that audio isn't rerouted anywhere. So for an example, to your headphones, even a car, or practically anything else. After that, what you guys can do is restart your phone. So we restart the phone to refresh the system and to get rid of any minor glitches. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now what we want to do is we want to go over and click restart and then tap again to restart our device. Now it's restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now, after the restart, what you guys can do is go over and update your software. So if you haven't updated your software yet, then what you guys want to do is let's unlock the phone, wait for it to start, and now simply go over to the settings. After you go into the settings, you need to check for the software update. So scroll a bit down until you see system, and here click system update. Now click check for updates, and it will check for updates automatically if you have Wi-Fi connection. Now, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So if you do not have the latest version yet, then make sure to update it. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.